Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video guys, I will teach you how you can earn free Ethereum on this Ethereum website without any single investment. Okay, you will see, for you to understand how the video really works, you have to stick to the particular end of this video. Do not skip any part so you understand how the video really works. Okay, I'll be dropping the link on my video descriptions, so you go there and get signed with your email, passport, and believe me, you're good to go. Okay, this is how you have to look like guys. You go see, and when you come here guys, you can see where you see the mining upgrade. Click on this upgrade sections. Once you click on this upgrade section guys, you also see the plans. You can see this is a level 1 which is free, and you'll be earning a sum of 0.00050 strategy worth of Ethereum daily, and bonus of 0.000100 Ethereum, and free one spin when you just sign it. Okay, this is a level 2 guys. Level 2, it costs nothing no less than the 0.00600 worth of Ethereum, and you'll be earning 0.0009350 worth of Ethereum every day, and a bonus of 0.0003500 worth of Ethereum, and they will be, once you refer 10 people, you'll be earning 10 good free spend. All right, and this duration lasts for 60 days. Okay, these are all their plans guys. Anyone is used to go click on these buy plans. Once you click on this buy plan guys, you will be able to make a deposit into this website in case the free session is not okay by you. Okay, but if only the free session is not okay by you, what I have to do is to keep mining for free. All right, so once you click on this buy now guys, they will also give you a wallet where you can also make a deposit into the website. Okay, so this is where, all right, once you check your see here guys, you will see this is the transaction section guys. Sorry, once you click on these transaction sections, you see they will give you a wallet guide where you can also make a deposit into the website. But please, before making a deposit into the website guys, make your own personal research, because I'm not a financial advisor, I'm also not a financial expert. Okay, you can see for me, I am not making any deposit into the website. Okay, so be convinced before making any deposit into the website. Okay, so you can also see on this website guys, all what I have to do is to refer friends. This is where you click on these deposit sections. Once you click on this is the Ethereum wallet which should be given to you, or you scan this QR code using the front camera to make a deposit. Okay, and you're good to go guys. And also, this is also, you can also play game on this website by clicking on this lucky number. Once you click on this lucky number guys, you can see, sorry, this is not where, when you click on this game section, there's a game section here, game mining. Okay, once you click on this section guys, you will see where you can also play games. But please, before playing game on this website guys, always cash out what you win. Okay, do not be selfish playing the game. Okay, this is also how it works. You can see the plans here below guys. Anyone is choose to, you can also choose to invest on this website. It's absolutely free guys. You can see these are the transactions of people that are withdrawing. But please, if only the free session is okay by you, please always stick to the free session. Okay, you can also earn a lot of money on this website by simple referral. The more you refer, the more you earn by clicking on this affiliate guy. Once you click on this affiliate, this is a Ethereum link I'll be given to you from this Ethereum miner. Mind you, every of the referrer, once he or she deposit the website, you earn 15% of each of their deposit. Okay, for free guys. Okay, this is also, so guys, I will advise you to hop in now. So this is the game guys. This is where you play the game. In case you want to play, click on this bet now, and click on this bet now, where you can also play the game. The more you win, the more you also make a lot of Ethereum coin. Okay, please always catch out what you win. Okay, do not be selfish. This is also the FAQ where you can ask a lot of questions about the website, and all the answers is listed there below guys. Okay, this is also the as I just said, this is the deposit section guys. Please, this might be, if this is the first time coming across my YouTube channel guys, I would advise you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give a nice thumb. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and select on the all button, so whenever I drop a video like the YouTube notify you. Okay, so this will be all for this video for now guys. Thank you for this wonderful video, and stay blessed and wait for more videos to come. Speed up.